guys, welcome to the channel. And as you guys saw on the thumbnail, on the title, and on the background, we recently changed for today's video. Well, actually my soulmate did it, but today we're gonna do a makeup look with the new makeup palette from Colourpop collaborating with Snow White. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I have the palette with me, and it came in this. I already opened it. I just wanted to show you guys really quick. It came in this, I call it the envelope. I don't know it's what Colourpop want us to call it, but it came in this envelope and it says dreams come true. I instantly thought of the collaboration of Colourpop with Harry Potter. They did the same thing. Here's the palette. It is so cute. It really is a palette of Snow White. So let's get closer. We're going to talk about it and just create a makeup look with it. Here is the palette. We have Snow White, we have the trees, a lot of flowers, very spring, and it says dreams come true. On each side we have some birds. On the top it says Colourpop. On the top again, dreams come true with bird on each side. Then on the back it says again dreams come true, pressed powder palette. And have 12 eyeshadow palettes on this pressed powder palette. Again, the trees, and I forgot to mention, obviously we have Snow White. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot to say Snow White. We have Snow White and her castle behind her, which was stolen by her stepmother. As you guys can see, you have this reflection palette. It is so cute. I love every detail and how they did it. At the bottom it says Disney, Snow White, and then when you open the palette, here we are. This is, I love this part because as you guys can see, we have again Snow White, but she is in a different pose and I love it. Always see Snow White like this, but then here it just gives you a different, I don't know, it's where all the details come. It says once upon a time, and when you touch it you can feel the birds, the letters too. We have some birds, owl, squirrels. Back of Snow White it says once upon a time there was a princess named Snow White who was so beautiful. Jealous stepmother who destroyed her life. Snow White found in a tiny woodland cottage. You can't really see because we have Snow White going to the eyeshadows. Look at these beautiful details that Colourpop gives us. Has some flowers, different types of mushrooms, and again you can touch it and it feels really nice. You have the eyeshadows. You have a Spellbreaker, With a Smile, Ever After, Such a Grace, Someday, True Love, My Prince, Carried Away, In the Land, Charm, Just One Kiss, Far Away. And now we're gonna do the swatches. Spellbreaker, With a Smile, Ever After, Such Grace, Someday, True Love, My Prince, Carried Away, In the Land, Charmed, Just One Kiss, and Far Away. Here are the 12 eyeshadows of this palette with Colourpop and Snow White. This channel I'm going towards the reds, but I don't know if you guys want me to do yellow. I think I want to do yellow now. This is how it works. So because I have 3 different channels in 3 different languages, when I purchase a palette, do a different makeup look with the palette, but we never touch the same eyeshadows. So for each channel, play with different eyeshadows that the other ones we didn't do. So on my Spanish channel we already played with the blue, so now let's go with the yellow. And because we have 12 eyeshadow, we only use 4 times 3 is 12, so we're going to use 4 for this channel. First eyeshadow that we're going to use is With a Smile, just to set the concealer that I applied before starting filming this video. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Snow White was not one of my favorite princess. It was the last one. Let's say we put 1 through 10 in order from one your favorite one, but definitely Snow White. When I was a little girl, I didn't like her that much. I even had the movie, but I rarely watched it. Okay, after that, we're gonna use some Day. I'm going to apply it on my crease like that and start in a circular motion. I'm gonna do a makeup dramatic on the outside part of the eyes. Even though we have a lot of pop colors, I want to keep it in the simple makeup look because Snow White is, I feel like all the print soft and keep it in that sense. So I'm just gonna start blending. I don't know if you guys knew, but Snow White was, now I'm gonna do the same thing on the side of the eye. And I don't know if you guys knew, but Snow White was one of the first movies of the princess to come out. It came out in 1937, and which actually we knew that because I say we because of my soulmate, but like 3 weeks ago with my soulmate we wanted to watch again some princess movies, and we started to watch them like in order from the first one to came out until the latest. I know we still have that little girl inside of us, especially my soulmate, which I mean, she's not a child anymore. I had to watch was Snow White because it's the first princess movie that came out, and I was not excited to watch the movie because my soulmate knows that I don't really like Snow White. But actually I enjoyed so much the movie that I told my soulmate I think I like now Snow White. But when I was a little girl, I didn't like her that much. I'm gonna go with the main eyeshadow of this makeup look. We're gonna use True Love, and we're gonna be honoring Snow White dress. Just to grab it with my finger because I love these eyeshadows just with your finger, and start blending. Look at this, this is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna start adding this one on my lid. Like I said, it's going to be a very simple look. When you were a little girl, did you like Snow White or you had another favorite princess? I'm going to do the same thing on this side, tapping in much detail on this palette, especially the front. I don't know if you guys would have preferred with a mirror or without a mirror, but I think that's it. Grab again someday with a flat brush and a smaller brush, and just going to apply it underneath the eyes so they don't look so empty. Again. And actually I was not expecting that Colourpop was gonna launch something like this. You guys know that during January, mid-February, beauty brands don't launch too much, I feel, until March, because summer, spring is coming. It's more like new makeup, it's coming until March. I mean, I feel like January, like the year just started. February, I mean, is Valentine's Day in that month, which we're still in the month of February, but there's not a lot of makeup brands that launch like actual makeup palettes that is not related to, let's say, Valentine's Day. Like Colourpop, they launched something for Valentine's Day. Go with Far Away, and Far Away I didn't want to use on the lid because I feel like it's gonna be too harsh, so we want to keep it soft like a cat eye. Should we maybe just do it from half of the eye and just come out a little bit, just like this. Won't have this harsh eye or harsh makeup look. Mascara, lashes, and then we're gonna go with the lips. After putting some lashes, putting some mascara, let's go with the lips. So there were different lip kits. I went for the villain one, the stepmother. You guys are gonna see on this side of the screen. but there was also Snow White. I think the lipsticks with a little bit more going towards the nude. Why I went for this one, even though the stick is darker, but I also wanted the gloss. I was really into the gloss. We have the stepmother, the evil witch. It says this magic spell. We have her with the apple, and I like it that the layers are very pleasant when you touch it. It says Disney, Snow White, Colourpop, and on this side it says this magic spell lip kit, and on the back we have the crown in this burgundy color, this magical spell lip kit again. We have a cream luxe lipstick which is called Evil Queen. We have a lippy pencil, Jealous Much, and then we have a luxe lip gloss, Queen G. Let's open the box. Is the lip liner, we have the lipstick, and we have the gloss. Well, as you guys can see, it's more like a burgundy lid. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the apples on the lipstick, and oh my god, when I saw this I was like, oh my god, Colourpop couldn't do it better. And here is the lipstick. It is so creamy. Lips are not gonna go with this makeup look. I would always go with the nude. It happened the same thing with on my Spanish channel. It's already purple because, like I said, but this is so beautiful. I love it. It feels so nice. I'm gonna go with the makeup, but let's just see the lipstick and the lip kit, okay? Let's use Evil Queen, which is the lipstick. I'm touching the lips. Use Queen G. Oh, it says right here. I was looking. I love this combination. Look at this. Gorgeous. Here is the final makeup look. I love how the eyes turn out. We have the dress on the eyes of Snow White. I wouldn't put this makeup, like I said again, the eyes with the lips, but again, we're trying this together. What can I say about the collaboration of Colourpop? I love every palette of Colourpop. They're so pigmented, their ideas. I mean, this palette, it is so beautiful if you like all the princess. I was not expecting so much detail on this palette. I mean, the reflection, every detail. I just realized that I didn't take this out from the box. I didn't show it to you guys the box. I was like, wait, no wonder when I was showing to you, oh my god, wah, wah, wah. I didn't show it to you guys the palette inside its box. Oh, no wonder. I feel like something was wrong. I felt a little bit weird, but it's because it was not inside its box. Oh my god, wow, what a disaster. Anyways, so here is the box. Oh my god, I feel ashamed. But here is the box where the palette came with. It had so much details on the side with this gold flower. Like, again, it says dreams come true. You have some squirrels, flowers. I don't know if you guys can see, but there we have some mushrooms, all types of mushrooms with flowers. Again, on the back it says dreams come true, gives us the name of each eyeshadow. I mean, we have our friends over here, but yeah, oh my god, I cannot believe it. No wonder. Oh, every color, I feel like every color that they gave us here on this palette, it represents what is Snow White. We have the black, the blue, the yellow, the red because of her bow. We have the white. I don't know how you call this part of the dress. Thus, what is Snow White. I love the names. I always tell you I prefer a mirror than whatever they gives us here as a design of the palette. For this palette, I don't mind not having a mirror because it has so much detail that they put in here. I love the words in the back as the background. Love it so much that I love everything about Colourpop. It is such a beautiful burgundy, dark purple. I feel like it's a burgundy with a little bit of touch of purple. Like these two I would use more during the winter and fall. Maybe in the night during summer and spring. The gloss, I'm definitely gonna use it for spring and summer. Let me know on the comments down below what you guys think, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. I would really appreciate it if you guys thumbs up on this video. Really help the channel. So here on the screen my social media, and again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.